Hi, I'm Brett from RepairPal. I'm an ASE certified master technician with over 20 years of experience helping people maintain their cars. Today I'm going to answer some of the most common questions I get for how to keep your car reliable, safe, and do it without breaking the bank. Purchasing a car is one of the largest investments you will make, so maintaining it is not something you should ignore. Doing so can get really expensive. Vehicle manufacturers recommend changing the oil between 5,000 and 10,000 miles. We recommend following the maintenance schedule in your owner's manual and keep an eye out for that maintenance light on your dash. Changing the oil is important to ensure you get the best fuel mileage and longevity from your engine. An important part of having your oil change is having the vehicle inspected by a professional. At that time, they can catch any small issues before they turn into large, costly repairs. If you wait too long or avoid oil changes altogether, you run the risk of voiding any warranties you may have on the engine or its parts. Because the front and rear tires wear at different rates, it's important to rotate them periodically to get the longest life from your tires. There are good reasons to perform fluid flushes, however, this is where maintenance costs can get out of hand. You can avoid excessive maintenance costs by following the manufacturer's fluid replacement guidelines. Batteries tend to last about 4 years. Unless you have an electric or hybrid car, then they last about 10 years or more. To ensure the best battery performance and longevity, have it inspected and tested every time you have the oil changed. This is a lot to remember. The best thing to do is reference your owner's manual or go to RepairPal.com for all of your car maintenance needs. Performing regular maintenance ensures that your vehicle remains safe to drive, that it retains its resale value, and that the warranties remain valid. If you're looking for a high-quality, trusted repair shop that always charges fair prices, visit RepairPal.com/maintenance.